Welcome to our comprehensive guide on MX Linux. Over the next few minutes, we will explore what makes MX Linux a standout choice in the world of Linux distributions. MX Linux is a Debian-based Linux distribution known for its high performance, stability, and efficiency. It is a collaborative project between the Anti-X and MX Linux communities, combining the best features of both distributions to deliver a versatile and user-friendly desktop experience. First released in 2014, MX Linux has since become one of the highest-rated Linux distributions on DistroWatch, a website tracking the popularity of Linux distributions. As noted in the article, MX Linux stands out for offering an easy-to-use lightweight system that makes it ideal for both beginners and advanced users. It also comes with a wide range of tools and utilities to help users customize their systems, manage applications, and get the most out of their Linux experience. The article highlights several reasons why MX Linux is an excellent choice for beginners. User-friendly. Designed to be intuitive and accessible, even for users new to Linux. Lightweight. A lightweight distribution that runs smoothly on older or less powerful hardware without compromising performance. Stability. Based on Debian Stable, one of the most reliable and well-tested Linux systems available. Customization. Offers a variety of customization tools to adapt the desktop environment to your needs. MX Tools. Includes a suite of MX-specific tools that simplify tasks like system management, backups, and fine-tuning. XFCE Desktop Environment. By default, MX Linux uses the XFCE desktop environment, known for being lightweight and highly customizable. XFCE is designed to provide a fast and responsive experience without consuming excessive system resources, making it ideal for both older hardware and modern computers. As the article mentions, the user interface is simple and clean, with a traditional desktop layout that feels familiar to users coming from other operating systems like Windows. The application menu is located in the top left corner, providing easy access to installed applications, settings, and system utilities. Key features of MX Linux. The article details some key features that make MX Linux a great choice for beginners. MX Tools. One of MX Linux's strongest points is its suite of MX tools. Developed by the MX Linux team, these tools simplify system management tasks. As the article states, for new users, these tools simplify common tasks that might otherwise seem daunting. Performance on older hardware. One of MX Linux's strengths is its ability to run smoothly on older or low-spec hardware. The lightweight XFCE desktop environment, combined with MX Linux's optimized performance, ensures that even older machines can operate efficiently. Excellent documentation and community support. For beginners, having access to good documentation and a helpful community can make all the difference when learning a new operating system. MX Linux excels in both areas. Pre-installed applications. MX Linux comes with a wide range of pre-installed applications to meet most of your basic needs right out of the box. Installing MX Linux. If you're ready to try MX Linux, the article notes that the installation process is straightforward, even for beginners. It provides a detailed step-by-step guide and explains how the installation wizard walks you through the process, including language selection, keyboard layout, time zone, and disk partitioning preferences. Is MX Linux right for you? The article concludes that MX Linux is an excellent choice for beginners looking for a Linux distribution that is stable, fast, and easy to use. The inclusion of MX tools makes system management and customization simple, even for users new to Linux. In summary, the Siberoloji article presents MX Linux as a well-rounded distribution that offers an ideal balance of performance, stability, and ease of use.